Hello my friends, today we are checking some insulation. So we'll be putting this little brush on the bottom of our door, of the entrance door, where there's a lot of air coming in. So the main enemy we are fighting against are these millimeters of light, because every time you see some light, it is an additional opportunity for the cold air to enter. And you see here, it's a bit peculiar because the ground, the floor is in a very bad shape. It's not at all plain. So we won't be able to cover with this brush operation the total insulation, but it will be a big improvement. So now we'll start first of all of unwrapping the brush, which will be placed here for avoiding the cold air to enter. So once we have unwrapped, we can take the brush and position it just to see how it works. So you see here that it won't be perfect, but it will be a big improvement. And we're lucky because the length of the brush is totally corresponding to the width of the door. So the first thing you have to do is to clean the surface. It has to be totally clean, otherwise it won't hold. So we're taking just a bucket of water with a little bit of dishwashing liquid, and that's very easy. And then we're drying it with a little towel. And once it is well cleaned, the best is to wait a couple of minutes until it's totally drying. It's very important, the thing to be dry for sticking well. So now I'm taking the brush, I am removing the tape on it, and this is now glue. And here I have to be very careful when positioning it because it's holding very quickly. And if you have to remove it, the glue won't stick as good as if it's done on the first trial. So you can be here, you can't do better than this here, so there is still some space, but it will be already a very good improvement. And once you have positioned it, then you push with your hand for making sure that the glue is well sticking. And that's it. It was quite an easy thing to do. And you can from time to time then add again some push on the brush to be sure that it's holding.